Dogecoin, how high could it possibly go based on the Fibonacci levels? Well, we're going to look at that in today's video. We're going to start off here on the weekly chart looking at last cycle highs. We have the Gaussian channel. We have Fibonacci extension levels. We have volume at the bottom. This is going to be important to look at. And side note, Dogecoin is one of the only charts I've ever seen where it skews the Gaussian channel. This is how batshit crazy this kind of move was. And so let's look right into it, right? So last couple cycles ago, going back to 2018, when I had the macro top of just over a penny, went into a long bear market, turned the Gaussian channel red, turns it back to green here, gets outside the channel, holding above all moving averages. Why am I saying that? Well, let's look at what we're doing right now, right? Red to green, above the Gaussian channel, above all moving averages. Good bit of volume. Not spectacular volume, but well above average. Great volume per this coin, but not great volume based on history. And I'll show you what I mean in just a moment, as you could probably guess right here. Let's just look at that real quick while we're thinking about it. Let's hide all this. I want to show you how epic the volume was for Doge back in the day. So back at the 2021 heyday, look at the intensity of this volume, and you might say that's not that spectacular. Look at the volume now. It's like not even making a blip, right? Look as it zooms out. You can try to catch that same. This is the massive spike volume that you can't even see it. You got your magnifying glass out. Look at this one over here. This is when everybody you know and ever passed on the street was buying Dogecoin. People that have never bought crypto in their lives were buying Doge. So why am I saying that? Well, this was, and maybe only, the best move in history for crypto. We might not ever see anything like this again. But how high could Doge go this time? Well, it's important to look at one thing and focus on the market cap. Where is Doge now? We're under memes here. It's still the top meme coin. Will it stay there? Who knows? It's at 56 billion now. So if it does even a 9x, we're knocking on the door of a 500 billion, half a trillion, for all the math whizzes, market cap just for Doge. So a 10x. Could it 10x? Maybe. Well, I mean, nothing, anything's possible. Now, if you're looking beyond 10x for Doge, like, it's probably reality check time if you think we're going to go above a $500 billion for one meme coin. Okay, so let's back that up with a little bit more data here. Looking at the Fibonacci extension levels, we have our high from May of 2021 at 76 cents, our low of just under 5 cents. Our 1618 Fibonacci extension level in this cycle puts it just over $4. Where's price now? Just under 40 cents. That math checks out. 10x. A $500 billion market cap for a meme coin would be amazing, for sure. Could it be possible? Of course. Right? I mean, Doge has done spectacular moves in the past. Could it happen again? Of course. Do I think it's going to do much over that? Probably not, right? And if someone's selling you on that idea, you can probably sell some iced Eskimos, right? Okay, so looking at the current move with the volume, right? Great volume, but nothing close to what we saw back then. Okay, so maybe that pandemonium's coming. But this is what we want to see. Look at currently, the 1618 from this short-term move, from the March highs to our August lows, we've topped out at, coincidentally, or non-coincidentally, right at the 1618, the high wick. It's like right on it. You think that's coincidence? Iced Eskimos, right? 1618. How about the 2618? That's at $1.25. That's getting us on our way. Do I think we'll hit that? Yeah, probably. How high up here? Right now we're starting to get, well, I'm a big fan of using double fib extensions from big moves like cycle highs and then inter-cycle highs. So, and if you have corresponding levels, I think that's going to be an excellent area of interest, let's call it. So what's our good area of interest? I would say the macro 1618 and the micro 3618. That's a pretty good zone. That is still a long ways away. Current prices still, again, you're 9x from that zone. 9.5x. That's just my 2 cents on it. You don't have to agree with it. You might think Doge is going to $100. I wish you well. Gaussian channel, again, has turned green from red. We're starting our liftoff. Right, the last time that worked out pretty well for Doge. Right, I would say we're probably in some kind of this area. Are we going to have some more epic moves? We shall see. All right, that is my Dogecoin update. Hopefully you found that somewhat helpful. Any requests on other meme coins that you see out to the side here? Right, let me move these are all the ones we kind of track in our private Telegram alerts group. We have a lot of other stuff that we talk about in there on a daily basis. Bitcoin, total market caps, DXY, stocks. You can request anything you want. I try to help you out. You get your charts looking like mine if you want. A lot more one-on-one. If that interests you, right, consider subscribing through our Patreon group. Get access to our private Telegram alerts group there. And I'll do my best to help us every step of the way this cycle. All right, let's do our quote and card of the day. The way to get things done is not to mind who gets the credit for doing them. Just do it. Car of the day. Just do it. Lamborghini SVJ Aventador. In one of the best colors ever. Rear view. In the mountains. I don't think I'd take this off-road. And then we also have my favorite Aventador, the SV, with the rear wing integrated into the rear. Absolutely epic. There we go. All right, if you made it this far, 57 gold stars. I just appear out of magic, thin air. All right. Any other requests, let me know below. We want to make your next video. The most requested video on this video we'll make next for YouTube someone soon. Peace out.